The X1-8 cloud-based multi-door controller is an access control system that controls up to 8 different doors. It is fully integrated with dealer admin and virtual keypad. The X1-8 has 3 main components: the 505-12 power supply, the X1 door controller, and 7 XD door controller modules, which are already wired out of the box. Mount the X1-8 securely to a wall, backboard, or other flat surface using the mounting holes provided. The X1 includes 2 reader inputs for 2 separate readers. Refer to the reader's literature to ensure proper wiring connections. Reader 1 will be the in reader, while reader 2 will be the out reader. If you are only using one reader, it should be connected to the reader 1 terminals. There are 3 input control options: door switch, a normally closed input, request to exit, a normally open input, and a normally open custom input that is triggered by a rule through virtual keypad. The auxiliary output includes 2 ports for any local outputs or door alarms needed. The door relay will be wired differently based on your hardware, whether it is normally closed, normally open, or if it needs to be placed in the wet or dry condition. Refer to your electronic locks literature to ensure proper wiring connections. To connect more than one door to the X1-8, use one of the 7 XD modules in the X1-8 to connect up to 8 doors. The XD modules come pre-wired and addressed right out of the box, meaning you don't have to worry about power or their connection to each other. Each XD module provides 2 reader inputs, 3 input controls, and a dry contact door relay. Next, connect the AC power supply to the transformer and connect the battery to the 505-12 power supply. The power supply offers 5 amps of power to take care of all 8 modules, readers, and other accessories connected to the X1-8. No additional power is needed. The X1-8 communicates via a local Ethernet connection or over Wi-Fi with the included antenna. The X1-8 can also be equipped with a cell module for communication over cellular networks. If you are using the X1-8 on a Wi-Fi network, or you need to assign a static IP address, use the built-in EasyConnect access point. Within 15 minutes of powering up the X1 or shorting the L header for 3 seconds, connect to the X1 SSID with a device capable of launching a browser. Launch a browser and enter 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. If using Wi-Fi, enter the customer's Wi-Fi network information in Wi-Fi options. If customizing network settings in the DHCP options, make edits to the desired fields. Select Apply and the X1-8 will reset and connect to the local network. The X1-8 is now ready to be programmed in dealer admin. For more information on the X1-8 or other DMP products, visit dmp.com.